Well, somehow it didn't record me taking out piston 7 and 8, so sorry about that. Just had the thing laying on its side, kind of going back and forth between the top and the side, depending on what piston I'm taking out. 9/16 12 point for the bolts, or for the nuts that are holding the rod caps on. So I took off as many as I could, so that I could just kind of rotate the assembly, just rotate a little bit and be able to access all the other ones. So I'm actually just putting this back on to rotate it. And so right now I'm going to knock off number 6. I'm going to take that bolt off, and then I'll probably knock number 5 out. We can see how much is left of that rod. And then I'll rotate it back and take a couple of these other ones out. This is a dirty, dirty job. Okay, lost that somewhere down inside. So. Bearing looks good, of course. One thing I'm trying not to do is damage the oil squirters that are in the bottom, for one. Two, just trying to be careful as I take everything out and put it back in order. There is number 5 rod. It is gone. The other half of it's in the pan. Luckily it didn't damage the cam very much. I'm going to set that there. I'm going to reach over here. I'm going to grab the cap, set it on it. And find two screws. Even though I'm keeping it together, just to hang it on the wall. Now I'm going to lay this block back over, take that last piston. Oh, see, I think I screwed up just now. I think that cap that I just had was wrong cap. See? Gotta pay attention to what you're doing. So I'm gonna have to go back and double check that. Okay, that piston's out. Whoa, well, doesn't help when I drop it. But if I was to rebuild this motor, I'd be using new pistons anyways. Man, it has like some metal chunks embedded in the side of it. Side skirts are actually not bad. So, number I have on here is Charlie. There's a C. And that is a D cap. So I put the wrong cap on the wrong rod. So even though I'm, like I said, I'm saving the damaged rod for just, you know, show and tell, pretty much, I still want to keep the rods that are good in order, because there's always people selling, you know, one rod, one piston on eBay or something. And if I was able to keep a good set together, I could either sell them or have parts, cores for the next motor. So that's why I'm doing it this way.